Binance US tutorial for beginners. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can see the Binance US tutorial for beginners, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the Binance US tutorial is actually quite simple. It doesn't really matter whether you're on US or UK because the application interface is pretty much the same. So when you open up Binance, let's say you want to buy a crypto, you can actually see the value of crypto that is currently increasing. So today let's say I buy BNB for $100. Tomorrow that single BNB's value increases for $200 depending upon how much I bought. Then I can sell that and I can basically get $100 profit. So I can just tap on this little option over here. Then I can just tap on the buy if I want to buy, and I can choose to buy a certain cryptocurrency. If I want to sell it, I can choose to sell it. If I want to convert the currency, then I can also tap on convert, or I can tap on deposit. Then I can simply come to this little option here that says discover. Then you can come to portfolio and then you'll be able to send them. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically use the Binance tutorial for beginners. Now keep in mind that, by the way, there is also a Binance Pro, so you can tap on it and you can switch to Binance Pro, but this is much more complicated than you think. So I'd recommend that you stick to the light version that you can find here. Just tap on the profile, go to Binance Lite, which is a regular version, and then you'll be able to do pretty much anything you want. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.